there's no way to put it into words. For me, having an inspiration like Gerry to base this off of, I took it as my mantra, and I've just kept going. I'm just paddling. You know, it's like, and it's a metaphor for my life right now, and it's just thank you, Gerry, for bringing me to this place.
Well, you know, Pat and I are surfers, and we've been surfing a long time. And in the experience of surfing, the learning experience, the whole process of it, you actually learn quite a few lessons that maybe when you really think about them, they have as much, if not more, to do with life back on the beach than they do with where you learned them out in the surf. And you know, I knew Pat was going through a particularly rough section. He was caught inside by, you know, in a surfing kind of context. He was caught inside by a pretty big set, maybe the biggest set of his life. And you know, when I said to Pat, you know, this is just another set. We've been caught inside how many times, countless times before in our life, and you know, we never thought about it, and we knew what to do instinctively. We just kept paddling, and I guess it hit a note with Pat, because you know, he said, oh, okay, you know, I get it. And that's just something that all of us, you know, learn when we're out surfing, that when you get caught inside by a set, even a really big set, you can do a number of things. You can simply give up and get washed into the beach. You can panic. Or you can try as hard as you can to hold position by maintaining, you know, keeping paddling. And that's what you try and do. And you just keep paddling in life. And, you know, whatever set catches you inside. And eventually the set passes and the lull comes. And you regain the lineup, and you're ready to catch your next wave. And you know, it's always like that. So,
Perfect.
we just keep paddling.
That is it.